that in there. I gotta get bushings for the spring shackles. Boy, am I shaking bad. Got holes cut in the floor to weld in new patches and stuff. And I was gonna do all that before putting the axle in, but I think I'm changing my mind. And let's get this ball rolling. I don't know. I just want to have something accomplished by the end of this weekend. Alright, so we're gonna try to mount the Caltracs up in here. I've already held them up in there and they seem like they'll fit in there, so that's okay. But I bought these big grade 8 half-inch bolts to put up in here. Now, in Ford's ultimate wisdom, they designed this in different layers. You got this sheet of steel that's stamped out to attach to the floor that no longer exists. And then you got the unibody frame rail, which actually has the bolt hole in it. Now, the bolt goes in there just fine, but I can't get a flange head bolt like it was in there. So I don't know that there's going to be enough room to get a socket on the head of that bolt. There probably would be, but I'd like to have enough washer in there to get the head to stick out. And the problem is, you put on half-inch washers, and they go like that. I've tried the next size under washer. That's this one here. Do this with one hand. So now that alright, this may fall into the do not try this at home category. Hair is real stylish today. Got a long ways to go. Maybe getting close. I might try that. Where's the camera? Maybe good enough. A little crooked. I like that. Let them cool off. And put it. Alright, well, we got the front of the springs up in there. Those washers worked out real nice, so I'll have to show you them later. This differential has been fighting me. That side likes to drag, and then the freaking yoke digs into the ground, so got her set up on the creeper here and see if we can just push it in there now. Yep, I'm out of breath. Let's see if I can just set you up over here. damn it. Oh, good old creeper. Harbor Freight special. Alright. I think we're close enough. Get them U-bolts all lined up and put in the right spot. Now Caltrac or Calvert Racing sends really nice instructions along with all this stuff to put it together. And guess what? I can't find them. And I know I put them in a place where I could find them. That's the way it goes. Never can. Well, just put in my Calvert Racing split monoleaf springs with the Caltracs. Well, started to anyway. And as you can tell, the wheel is definitely not in the right spot. So I don't know. I think the leaf spring is wrong. I'm gonna have to call somebody to see what's going on.